Hey there! Welcome to Teach Always Smart. I'm so excited you're here to learn English with me. Let's make learning fun, simple, and super effective. Ready to start? Let's dive in. Learning English today is essential. It's more than just a language. It's a passport to new opportunities. In our rapidly changing world, more people are realizing how English can transform their lives. English is a vital skill, often called a universal language. It serves as a bridge, connecting people from all walks of life, helping us understand and appreciate each other better. Imagine traveling the globe with confidence, knowing that English will guide you to new experiences and friendships. This language opens doors to a brighter future, offering you countless choices and the chance to meet amazing individuals with unique stories to share. My English lessons are crafted especially for those embarking on their language journey. You'll find simple, easy-to-understand words and phrases that make learning enjoyable and accessible. As you begin this exciting adventure, remember to embrace the process like a child. Take your first steps with curiosity and wonder. There's no rush. Enjoy each moment as you learn. I hope my videos will be your helpful companions on this journey. If you're learning English as a second language, you're in the right place. These lessons will provide you with valuable insights. Whenever you start something new, remember to always be prepared. Don't rush. Take your time. As you progress, understanding will come naturally, and everything will start to click. This is my best advice. Learn a little bit of English every day. But remember, don't overwhelm yourself. Take it slow and steady. Each small step will bring you closer to your goal of speaking with confidence. Always keep in mind that English is important. It's exciting. It's your future. And most importantly, English is fun. I can't wait to see you again very soon for our next lesson. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to start applying them to your English learning routine. Remember, consistency and practice are key. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep pushing forward. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!